Hello everyone, Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. Today is the 15th of December, Tuesday અને ગુજરાતી તિથિ પ્રમાણે આજે માગશર સુદ એકમ છે. So without any further ado, let us begin with the prayers. Please join your hands and close your eyes.
शारदा ओ शारदा ओ शारदा ओ शारदा तू आव मारा जीवन मां ओ शारदा तू आव मारा जीवन मां वाणी मां वर्तन मां नर्तन मां मुझ कीर्तन मां ओ शारदा वाणी मां वर्तन मां नर्तन मां मुझ कीर्तन मां ओ शारदा ओ शारदा तू आव मारा जीवन मां થઈ છવાજે મુજ જીવન વસંત માં મોર થઈ છવાજે મુજ જીવન વસંત માં વીણાના સૂરો વહાવ મારા કંઠમાં વીણાના સૂરો વહાવ મારા કંઠમાં ઈશ તણા ગીત દેજે અંતરમાં हो ईश तणा गीत देजे अंतरमा वाणी मां वर्तन मां नर्तन मां मुझ कीर्तन मां ओ शारदा वाणी मां वर्तन मां नर्तन मां मुझ कीर्तन मां ओ शारदा ओ शारदा तू आव मारा जीवन मां જગના આંગણમાં નાચું મોરલો બનીને તારો જગના આંગણમાં નાચું મોરલો બનીને તારો વિશ્વ પર છવાઈ જાઓ ઈશના બની વિચારો વિશ્વ પર છવાઈ જાઓ ઈશના બની વિચારો ભરજે વિશાળતા પુર અંબરમાં हो भरजे विशालता उर अंबर मां वाणी माँ वर्तन माँ नर्तन माँ मुझ कीर्तन माँ ओ शारदा। वाणी माँ वर्तन माँ नर्तन माँ मुझ कीर्तन माँ ओ शारदा। ओ शारदा तू आव मारा जीवन माँ। ओ शारदा तू आव मारा जीवन माँ। वाणी माँ वर्तन माँ नर्तन माँ मुझ कीर्तन माँ ओ शारदा। वाणी माँ वर्तन माँ नर्तन माँ मुझ कीर्तन माँ ओ शारदा। ओ शारदा तू आव मारा जीवन माँ। ओ शारदा तू आव मारा जीवन माँ। ओ शारदा तू आव मारा जीवन माँ।
These days, we all have become so busy in our lives that we hardly get the time to communicate with others. Our hectic schedules are preventing us from connecting with people personally. We have Jeanal from IG2 who will be reciting a poem on similar lines. The poem is by Aisha Shehrazi and it is titled Communication.
Namaste. Communication by Aisha Sherazi. Communication breakdown. What's happening today? We don't say what we mean and we don't mean what we say. We trundle along in life, not speaking when we should. We wait until it's too late and then say nothing good. We don't look at each other nor smile as much these days. We are all so busy. Being busy is the craze. But what is so important that we don't really talk? Why don't we make the time? Instead of running, we could walk. We use our text messages, our computers to speak for us. We use our telephones and rely on our trust. It's hard to know what's behind the talk if you're not face to face. It's hard to get a clear message. Isn't it a disgrace that we don't meet each other and look eye to eye? That we don't take the time and understand why? Why is it so important we connect and really speak? Why is it essential we truly listen and not freak? When someone says something that's so far from our minds, world peace depends on these things. So let's not be so behind. We've got to make an effort and truly realize this isn't really connecting. It isn't civilized. Thank you.
No matter what task we perform, we all need proper instructions to accomplish it. Emphasizing on the same, we have a video from Shakshi and Priya.
Hi Priya, today we are going to learn a very basic recipe. We are going to make a chocolate cheese sandwich. Are you ready with the ingredients?
Yes.
Okay, then let's start. First, take 2 slices of bread. Then take the chocolate syrup and the spoon. Take 1 slice of bread and spread it with the spoon. No, not like that.
Then
No,
you
stop.
you instructed it like that way.
Okay, let's start again. First, take the slice of bread.
Yes.
Also, take the cheese cube.
Okay.
Open the chocolate syrup and pour it onto the spoon and then spread it on the bread.
Done.
Okay, then put the cheese cube on that bread. No, not the whole cheese cube.
You said to keep the cheese cube on the bread, so I did that way.
Okay, just take it off.
Okay.
Take the grater,
Okay.
then grate the cheese on that slice of bread. Put another slice on top of that bread. Okay, so now your sandwich is ready.
Okay.
We all would have at least fumbled once while giving directions to other people. So let's have a glance at a video from Rakshit and Ranveer portraying the same.
हाँ भैया, कैसे याद किया?
हाँ भैया, मैंने इसलिए कॉल किया है क्योंकि मुझे मैकडॉनल्ड्स जाना है और मुझे नहीं पता कि वहाँ कैसे जाए।
तो भैया आप पहले मुझे ये बताइए कि आप अभी कहाँ हैं?
मैं अभी टागोर रोड पे हूँ, मारुति शोरूम के सामने।
हाँ तो आप पहले सीधे जाना, फिर उधर मुड़ जाना, फिर इधर मुड़ जाना।
हाँ तो पहले मुझे सीधे जाना है, फिर इधर मुड़ जाना है और फिर उधर मुड़ जाना है।
नहीं, वहां जाके पहले उधर मुड़ जाना, फिर इधर मुड़ जाना।
उधर किधर मुड़ जाना है? यार क्या बकवास कर रहा है तू?
यार मैं क्या बकवास कर रहा हूँ, मैं खेड़े से कह रहा हूँ इधर मुड़ जाना है, फिर उधर मुड़ जाना है। क्या कर रहे हो? फिर उधर जाके मुड़ भी जाओ, फिर सीधा जाके उधर मुड़ो, ठीक है? फिर उधर जाके इधर मुड़ने के बाद फिर सीधा जाके उधर मुड़ने के बाद आ जाएगा।
अबे यार तू रख फोन, नहीं लेनी मुझे तेरे से कोई राय। आए बड़े इधर से उधर और उधर से इधर। हाँ, पूछ लूंगा मैं किसी को रास्ते में। रख तू।
Communication can happen in various forms, and one of them is dance. So let us have a look at this medium performed by Sakshi Rajani and choreographed by Venus ma'am and Hetal ma'am.
रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा, मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गले का फेरा। रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा, मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गले का फेरा। पिया
Now we have Sanjana who will say the point to Socho.
Good morning. My name is Sanjana, and in today's Point to Socho, let us contemplate and discuss one of the most essential skills of life, communication. Not only does it facilitate the process of sharing information and knowledge, but it also allows people to develop relationships with others. How one communicates can be a make or break factor in various situations, like securing a job, maintaining a healthy relationship, and proper self expression. Following instructions is a part of everyday life, almost as if it's a life skill. Simply defined, it is one's ability to act on request by others. It is of utmost importance that since a very early age, people need to learn to follow instructions so that they can function effectively across different environments. It starts with a toddler being able to stop for their own safety and continues through life to doing what your parents needed to do, or your teacher, or your sports coach, or boss. Following instructions can be about following verbal or written instructions. The heart of it is the same. If a child struggles with following instructions, this impacts their ability to reach the desired purpose or outcome, and thus their ability to complete tasks effectively. You may think it's easy to follow instructions, but is it always that simple? Sometimes it can just be difficult to understand, hard to follow, or every once in a while we're just plain stubborn and don't want to accept instructions, which is what makes this a complex and important skill to develop and use. Therefore, according to what stage of life you're currently at, there's an array of consequences that come along. So on one hand, within an academic setting, following instructions can influence your grades, learning subject matter, and correctly executing skills. Whereas in a professional setting, failing to follow through with the instructions can cost you messing up your chance of securing your dream job, closing a life-changing deal, or advancing in your career. Thus, today's task for all of you is to please ponder over how the manner in which you communicate and follow instructions actually impacts not only your present but also your future life. Thank you and have an amazing day ahead.
Nicole, ahora pisa. Mate, una, dale, jómpela. Yami, mira. Se cayó. Dale. Ponle el pie. Ayúdala. Otra vez. Una, dos y tres.